I was walking down the street of my town, minding my own business, with my little cute dog, and suddenly Jemma showed up. Cupcake Jemma from YouTube. And she was like, oh, your dog is ugly as shit. And I was like, what, Jemma, you are so nice on the video. Why are you so mean to my poor little dog? And then she cried, no. And then she pulled out a cupcake out of her bag and threw it at my poor little dog. And my dog was like, why would she do that? My poor little dog. And she was screaming, your dog is ugly, ugly as shit. And I was like, no, my dog is a cute little dog, and you are a mean person if you throw cupcakes at my dog. But I have to admit, the cupcakes were super delicious, and so I always threw myself in front of my dog, and so I could catch some cupcakes with my mouth. Well, you know, sorry.